I didn't think of becoming, exposed to public equities and call it for simplicity reason. I'm a hedge fund manager. I didn't see myself doing that when I was 25. I think the journey it cannot always be understood exactly, and at some point, you can also be in something which is actually very interesting, and then you should probably stick there, although it doesn't make you like, it gives you that factor of making a lot more money, right? I think people are often also, if you're just trying to make the most money, then I think this industry is not the right industry, because I think it's much harder to make money here than people understand.
Yeah, I definitely agree.
No, if you let me explain from a psychological side, like so what we do is we really understand the company, we invest in it, and then we are exposed, and then that share price goes against you because I don't know, Jerome Powell raises interest rates 75 basis points instead of 25, which everyone expects. Okay, so the stock goes down. So now do you feel miserable because you just lost in the book money? If money matters too much to you, I would almost argue you're probably not going to become a good capital allocator.
It's a very interesting perspective, and I think I agree so much, because like if you take the public markets, like I don't know if there's research who can say this 100%, but how much do you really know what drives the price? Because there has to be so many factors that there's impossible for you to know exactly what goes around.
Look, we're long enough now in this business to make comments about that, and in most cases, I didn't know what moved the price. I give you an example. We were big in Songa Offshore. Do you remember that company? Which was taken out by was I going to send you our investment paper for your own amusement? But we took a long time to analyze it and so on, and then we went in and it moved down immediately 20% on us on some technical reason. And then within a week or so, that corrected again, and I never really knew why. Then I called the broker and said, "Why this?" And that? Yeah, but it's really hard, even if you do this day in, day out. And clients sometimes even call me, which they shouldn't, right? And say, "Why has it moved now?" And I think. Look at those price movements once a day or maybe twice a day max, but maybe once a week. But the reason we look at it is simply to say, should we buy more when we like something very much? And with PetroTal, we had this, local protest, which means very little for NAV, right? If you NAV something, if you really do the model, I mean, a 20-day protest has just no impact on your NAV over 10 years, just none. And okay, so then suddenly the price overreacted and went from 30 to 16 in a week, and my God, what's going on here? And then we took opportunity of that and we bought more and more and more, because I thought has to be that kind of news about the protest, right? And then you go for it. But I look to understand why prices move and to kind of become a day trader. I think that's some people do it, and I'm sure there are successful people doing it out there. I haven't met them personally, but I'm sure some know what they are doing. But I think that's if I shouldn't say it wouldn't be for me. I mean, it would make my life miserable.